Hi! Today I'm going to continue my series called One Day and One Picture. So let's get going. Today I'm going to draw a dragon. That was easy to flip-flop. Okay, so today is the 28th of January. In 3 days, yay, February, my birthday. Okay, so here we have to use our kind of ruler. Okay, here. Now the 28. 8, 8, 88, 8, 8, 8, 8, 88, 88. Okay, so you got the horn. Now like the kind of this thing here, I still don't know how it's called. So we are going to draw the eye and the cheek. Now we have to do like the open duck mouth. Like, I'm so angry. And now one leg. I'm going to change like the composition, what I've drawn here. It's like a tail. I don't know how I chose that, but okay. So now wing and another wing, like this. It's done. Now time for the sparkles and spots. Sparkle, spot, 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 and sparkle, spot. Now the dragon is officially done. By who? Who said it's official? Of course, the how do I call it? Choky said it's official. That means it's done. That's the only thing I came up with. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for the no thanks. I mean, don't forget, and also, well, who did it in my previous videos, thanks. Yeah, but anyway, don't forget the likes, comments, and subscribes. And who already did it, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So, thanks for enjoying this picture with me. Bye.